What is up? So we're back. As y'all seen from the title, since we got the side skirts and the shit on last video, I call this like V1. I think V1 of the SI is complete. Honestly, since winter's coming up, I don't want to lower it too more right now. It's my daily driver. This is all I have. So if shit goes wrong, bro, if it snows, I might be cooked. But in springtime, I decided we're definitely dropping the shit lower. And I'm probably gonna throw camber on in spring as well. But we're about to go hit up a meet. I need to hit the post office and drop this package off for my brand. And then I need to stop at 7-Eleven and get some gas. Then we're gonna go. But I'll give y'all a little cold start. Some slight. We're gonna go hit up this meet. I'll see y'all when I'm getting gas. You can barely see me, but I'll see y'all when I'm getting gas. Alright, just put it to the gas station. Gotta get some gas. What is it? $3.65. I got 5 cents off a gallon, but it's like usually 30 something, like 34ish to fill up my whole tank, I think. But shit, we're gonna get gas and we're gonna head that way. It's like an hour drive. Shit is looking so clean, bro. It's dirty as fuck. It looks clean, but dude, this shit is cooked. We're gonna wash it when we get there. But I'm not gonna get a drink. I was gonna get a Red Bull, but I already had one earlier. So I'm not even gonna get one, but this gas is pumping hella slow. But I'll catch y'all when it's done. I'm not at like completely empty. I'm at maybe a little less than half. Then we'll see what it is. Should be like $29, $30. Alright, so I just finished pumping. We're at $28.90 for 7.8 gallons. But oh yeah, a full tank. Let's hit the road. It's about, shit, not even an hour, maybe 45 minutes. But I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright, so we just pulled up to the meet. We're gonna give this shit a wash before the meet actually starts. But then I'll show y'all a little bit around the meet and shit like that. Fucking double chin. But yeah, let me get this bitch washed first. Alright, so we just got this shit all washed up. This low-key's so nice, bro. Shit. Came out good. I don't got my drying towel with me. Check the fit. I don't got my drying towel with me, so I can't dry it. But they have a here, so I blow dried it. I'm not putting more money into dry it, but we'll shit. I mean, people are starting to pull up, so I need to park my shit. Yes, sir.
You think we can fit a
Got
car
the
right
homie
here?
over there. Said what?
You think we can fit a car right here?
Yeah, probably.
Fuck you. Yeah, you can't put that on right now.
No, I could. This shit's clean too, bro. This shit is all tough. Bro, there's so many Mustangs here now to stock.
Country lift kit and then some like black motor wheels. It's gonna be his first car. So I'm like, what are you gonna do? So he's like, squat it. I'm like, fucking saggy.
No way, bro. Oh, is that your shit right there?
I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top.
That's the type of truck I've had with that right there.
Nope. That's the pre-sale we're doing. So I think we got like 75 left of those. We're doing a pre-war.
Shit.
Shake your front.
My bad.
Hell yeah, brother. Fuck yeah.
Why is the truck in here, bro?
So any other wheel?
Shit, BBS's? I need to give me some, bro.
Or if we didn't look
Bro, there's hella stock cars in here. That's them right there.
This is not. Hey, was it good?
Yo, low-key, it's kind of a good turnout, but I know there's hella Mustangs here and a lot of stock cars, but other than that, it's just pretty lit. Bro, this shit is clean, bro. Damn. Tri-spokes too? It's just low-key mid, bro. Holy shit, this is the fucking movie. Alright, so I'm gonna dip and go get Taco Bell. But it's gonna be a pain in the ass to try to get out this bitch. So we'll see if I can get out. It's a predicament I'm in, bro. Look at this shit. My car's fucking blocked in and I gotta get out. Bro, this shit is so fucking deep, bro. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get out. I need this motherfucker to move his shit. Fuck, dude. I'll catch y'all. Shit, try after I get out, bro.
You fucking sucks.
Holy shit, dude.
We're fucking twinning. There's a G80 at tomorrow. It's fucking clean, dog.
Well, the meat was lucky ass.
We need to spend the light.
I know.
Go somewhere.
It's like pitch fucking black.
Hey, you can pull into the parking garage, go to the very top.
I'm not doing all that.
Alright. Post it up. The meat's over there, bro, but everybody's leaving.
I ain't coming out and do this shit.
Low key. This better be probably the end of the video, but dang. Alright, you could barely see me, but this is gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.